Hey there, welcome back to Life Mastery. Today, we're diving into a topic that's a game changer for anyone looking to supercharge their productivity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, these 10 productivity tips will revolutionize the way you tackle tasks and maximize your output. So grab your notepad, because we're about to unveil the secrets to becoming a productivity pro. 1. Master the art of prioritization. The first step to being productive is knowing what truly matters. Identify your most crucial tasks and prioritize them. The Eisenhower matrix, which categorizes tasks as urgent, important, or both, can be your compass in this journey. By focusing on what truly counts, you'll steer clear of distractions and aim for impactful results. 2. Embrace the Pomodoro technique. Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer length of your to-do list? The Pomodoro technique might be your savior. Set a timer for 25 minutes, work on a task with intense focus, and then reward yourself with a 5-minute break. Rinse and repeat. This method not only boosts your productivity but also keeps burnout at bay. 3. Create a distraction-free zone. Your environment greatly influences your productivity. Designate a distraction-free workspace by decluttering, setting up good lighting, and minimizing interruptions. When your surroundings are aligned with your goals, your concentration soars, and your tasks get completed more efficiently. 4. Harness the power of to-do lists. To-do lists are your productivity sidekick. Write down your tasks, break them into smaller steps, and check them off as you go. The simple act of ticking off items releases dopamine, reinforcing your sense of accomplishment and motivation to continue. 5. Embrace digital tools wisely. There's a plethora of productivity apps and tools out there, but don't let them overwhelm you. Choose a few that align with your workflow and goals. Tools like task managers, note-taking apps, and time trackers can streamline your efforts and keep you on track. 6. Practice the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This rule prevents tiny tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming. By tackling quick tasks on the spot, you'll free up mental space and prevent procrastination. 7. Leverage the power of deep work. Deep work involves diving into tasks that demand your utmost concentration. Set specific time blocks for deep work sessions and eliminate all distractions. During these periods, you'll achieve higher quality output in less time. 8. Learn to say no. Overcommitting can sabotage your productivity. Politely decline tasks that don't align with your goals or stretch your limits too thin. Saying no frees you up to focus on what truly matters and prevents burnout. 9. Prioritize self-care. Productivity isn't just about work. It's about taking care of yourself too. Maintain a balanced lifestyle by getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and practicing mindfulness. A healthy mind and body are essential for sustained productivity. 10. Reflect and adjust. Regularly evaluate your productivity strategies. What's working? What needs adjustment? Continuous improvement is key. Adapt your methods, discard what doesn't work, and fine-tune your approach to suit your evolving needs. There you have it. 10 game-changing productivity tips that can transform your approach to tasks and projects. Remember, productivity is about working smarter, not harder. By implementing these strategies into your routine, you'll find yourself accomplishing more in less time and enjoying the journey along the way. Now, it's over to you. Which of these tips are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay productive and keep striving for your best. See you in the next video.